Hello and welcome back to the one more tutorial of Drytis series, and in this short video, we will see the session management of the studio. Okay, for example, I am over here on the studio and I am working on the project. Okay, so for example, this is one chat. Okay, if I am clicking on this tab, this one icon, it will show me all the projects. For example, I am working on one project among all these. Now, if I have clicked on any project, then in this icon, we can see it is showing me an active chat over here. Okay, not able to access the video. That means I was working on it on the project, and it has named that session as not able to access the video. For example, if there's a lot of stuff in this chat and a lot of prompters and it is working slowly now, what we can do, we can go to the chat. This is actually a thread now, strong thread. We can click on this new chat and one more session will be shown over here. Right now it's showing only just one, but if I am putting any prompt here, start the container, for example. Okay, so another new chat has been started. Okay, now it won't work as slowly as it was earlier in the previous chat, and it's working now. If I'm going here, and it will show you another session is working. Okay, and later on it will name this session as well. So this is how does the sessions work, and this is necessary only when there is a requirement of this. For example, if any chat is taking too long to load, or when you cut this page and and you want to open this page again, click on live code access, and this chat is taking longer. What you can do, you can go to over here threads, and you can create one more chat and you can work on that chat as well. Okay, so it won't create any problem for you. This is how the sessions does work, and all the time that you are working on this session, summation of all those timers in all the sessions will be counted over here in the timer, so you don't need to worry about that time. But yeah, you can create the sessions as per your requirement. So this was one more tutorial. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.